Why do so many 3D printer owners struggle with CAD software that fights them instead of helping them? SolveSpace takes a radically different approach. Instead of dragging shapes around and eyeballing measurements, you define geometric relationships and let the software solve everything mathematically. This line is parallel to that edge. This circle sits exactly 10 millimeters from that corner. Change one dimension and everything updates intelligently. Here's what makes SolveSpace worth learning. First, it's built around workplanes, which are just 2D sketch surfaces in 3D space where you draw before extruding to solids. Second, you sketch roughly, then apply constraints after, not during. Draw an approximate rectangle, then tell SolveSpace which lines should be horizontal, equal length, or a specific distance from the origin. Third, there's no operation history like Fusion, just the current state, which keeps files tiny and performance instant even on complex parts. SolveSpace excels at precise mechanical parts like brackets, enclosures, and gears, but lacks sculpting tools for organic shapes. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.